our 110 volt bone meat saw. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length total of 26.25 inches, a depth of 22.25 inches, and the overall height standing at 59.5 inches tall. Coming to the top of the meat cutting station, coming to the right will be the conveyor tray. And with the safety cover lifted will be the meat saw that will cut your slabs of meat. So whenever each slice is completed, this tray can push forward the completed line of work. The measurement of the tray itself will measure 9.75 inches in length by 13.25 inches in depth. Coming to the meat cutting station interior height, we have 12 inches total of cutting space. Coming to the far right corner will be a compression to adjust the thickness and slab for your cuts of meat. So whether if it's narrow or wide cuts of slabs, the slabs of meat can be inserted here, and with the locking mechanism located on the bottom and on the side of the meat cutting saw, it will lock your slabs of meat in place for cutting. Coming to the top of the meat saw will be the on and off buttons, along with the mechanism to release and open the compartments to change and clean your gears. Coming to the back of the meat saw will be the ETL certification, along with the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.